We just stepped outside of the train once again, and we are now in Sapporo, and it's so refreshing. This is Sapporo. We're gonna get some Sapporo beer.
Of course we do.
The world's renowned beer. What's up, Sapporo, 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 Sapporo. Kampai! Oh, okay.
This tastes like a normal Sapporo.
So I'm trying the Sapporo Classic, and it's only in Hokkaido. It's more bitter than your typical Sapporo.
Really?
It tastes more like beer, like Canadian beer. Hop to it.
I like this one better. You have your own bed tonight. You're not gonna hear about you take all my space.
The first time ever since we met that I will have some room to sleep. I'm joking. We're on our way to our rooms. It looks like a really sweet hotel. It looks like a place that you could come here and just work. So any programmers out there, this is the spot to be. All right, let's check it out. Look at that. Oh, shh. Okay, that's a nice kitchen. All right, let's check out the laundry first. Nice. I heard about these things. You wash and dry your clothes at the same time. No. Yo. Oh. Okay, this is nice. Yeah. Same. Ah. Alright, yeah, this is nice. And this is $44 a night. You have access to all of this and a working space. And they also have a cafe down there as well as a ice cream shop. We are currently in Biei, and we are on our way to the famous Blue Pond. It's one of the backgrounds for Mac OS. It's supposed to be very, very beautiful. Turns out it's blue because it was an accident by people trying to prevent landslides and adding, I think, aluminum in the soil or something, and it seeped and it basically made its way into the water, which made it blue. We're having a lot of complications on how to get there, so now we're going to be looking for a cab. I'm currently looking for foreigners to split a cab with because it's going to be expensive, and here they are. Let's try these guys out. Hey! Wait, one second. It'll be fun. Hey! It's a go. It works. We're heading. We're doing it. We're going.
Hey, so we are in Biei, yeah.
We are currently in Biei.
We decided this morning to go see this blue water thing I want to see so bad. We ended up grabbing a taxi with some strangers because it was the easiest way, because the bus to here, whoa.
Holy shit.
Okay, wait a minute.
Oh, okay, we're all right. We're starting to get a glimpse of the blue pond, and it is blue.
No.
Sorry, my language.
It's a real blue thing.
Oh my god, okay.
That
that might be the most beautiful thing I've seen through trees. Yeah, first we went to hell, now we're in heaven. Ain't that something? rented a couple bikes for $2 for 10 minutes. Axel really wanted to ride a bike, so we're just gonna go around this block. And after that, we need to catch a train.